Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do an easy knotted updo which is perfect for fine hair. To start, we're going to take the hair from the very top of the head and we're going to divide this in half. Then we're just going to tie these sections together in a knot as if you were tying your shoelaces. Then we're simply going to add a small slice of hair to the right hand side and then a small slice of hair to that left hand section. And again, we're going to create a simple knot as if you're tying your shoelaces. And we're basically going to repeat this pattern all the way down the head. So add a slice of hair to that left hand strand, then add a slice to the right hand strand. Cross the right hand over the left and pull that top strand all the way through to create your knot. Pull tight to the head. So add a slice to that left hand strand, then add a slice of hair to the right hand strand, and then just tie your knot. So I'm just doing the last section here, adding in hair each side before I tie them together. Once you've added all the hair, we're just going to continue tying the hair in a knot all the way down till we get to the end. Don't worry if you have bits poking out, as this will be hidden later. Once you get to the very end, tie it off with a clear elastic band. Now I'm going to apply some texture spray all over that knotted area. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then, using our fingers and thumbs, we're just going to gently pull out each loop and twist of those knotted sections to make it more voluminous. Now, taking the end, I'm just going to wrap it around my finger to create a loop, and then I'm just going to roll it all the way up to the nape of the neck, tucking it under those knotted sections as best I can. Then I'm just going to secure with a few bobby pins. Next, we're just going to again pull out those side sections, but this time we're going to secure them to the head on the right and left hand side with a couple of bobby pins to make sure everything stays nice and secure. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.